The specification of the building components which are commonly followed in small residential and office buildings construction are given below. Here is the minimum size of our floor plan should be required. To the minimum, it should contain these dimensions. One is drawing room or living room, which should be at least 16 meters square. At least 16 meters square. Bedroom should be 12 meters squares at least. Kitchen at least 8 meters square. Bathroom WC, bath and WC when we make combined. This is WC and bath when we make in single way. In single way, it will be what? 2.6 meters square. Bathroom WC 2 meters square. When we make it combined, it should be 5.5 meters squares. Lobby passages, window, and WC bathrooms and other floors seems like this. So you have to follow, you have to understand those things. Here is simply floor plan. When we observe the building at the top or at aerial stage without a roof, it seems like this. Around here there is main gate, and when we reach here, we got living rooms. When we come to here, it may bedroom, and here it may guest room, here it may master bed, under here we can say dining room, and this one kitchen, maybe this one toilet and bathrooms or WC and bath. And the scale should be indicated here. Let us say here 1 to 100 our scale is. And also you have to mention the location of windows and doors here. Here is the windows. There are 3 windows under this direction for kitchen, dining room and master bedroom. Under this side for bedroom there is 1 window. And in this direction in guest guest room and living room, and also in water closet and bath there are 3 windows under this side. There are doors in each and every classes. So simply floor plan seems like this. When we come to with dimension and the name of living rooms, the name of the floor plans in each class, it seems like this. Around this there is veranda. Dimension of veranda already described here. Then here is water closet and shower, guest room, bed, master bed, dining, kitchen. And each component should be described in dimension. Let us see here 15 millimeter window, 32, that means this window up to this window there is 32 millimeter in paper. It is in paper. When we change it into ground, we have to multiply by 100. That means when we multiply this 15 by 100, we got 1500. That means 1.5 meter. Here up to here, 1.5 meter when we convert it into ground. So all things should be described in dimension here. In a floor plan, there are different types of symbols. One is window symbol. It seems like this. The other is door symbol. The other is compass symbol, which indicates north direction. The other is furnitures, beds, sofa, tables, what you call it, furnitures. And the other is appliances. Around the kitchen, there may be ovens or sink. It may be. So those things should be described in a floor plan. Let us see here. There is sofa around floor plans or around living rooms. When we come to in bedroom, there is what? Beds. When we come to in the toilet, there is what? Shower tray, WC, and wash basin. When we come to in the dining room, there is table and armchairs. There is a table and armchairs. So those things should be described in floor plans. When we observe these tables 1.2, 2.2, 3.1, 4.2, which represents the specification of the floor, skirting, ceiling, and walls of a classroom. What would be the floor of the classroom? What would be the skirting of the classroom? What would be the ceiling of the classroom? And what would be the wall of the classroom? These specifications, there is a legend behind these tables. So we have to express such things also in a floor plan. Not only this, in a floor plan, most of the time also included are column locations. Here, black colors indicates the location of columns. Location of column. The other one is elevation drawing. Construction drawing of elevation helps show what building exterior layout and base should look like. Elevation plans also contains measurements for exterior features such as the distance between each windows. Yes, elevation shows the front, rear, side of the structures as they would appear projected on a vertical planes. Vertical planes. That means when we stand in front of the structures, the building seems like that. Elevation drawings should show each wall length and its height, the roof width and heights, the visible portion of the foundations, plain walls, any exterior features such as decks, porches and stairs, window and door trims, eaves, roofs, exterior wall and roof finishes, wood siding and exterior wall asphalts, angles of roofs and the finished ground level. Simply, elevation includes front elevation, rear elevation, left side and right side elevation. Among these, here is front elevation. In the front elevation, we can express parts of what? Foundations. Here up to here, there is foundation. Stone masonry, most of the time is stone masonry. And with grade beams. And here up to here, masonry walls. HTV masonry walls. And above than this, what we call it, roof structures. And here is in the main gate, there is door. The size is 1.2 meter or in paper 12 millimeter, and the height is 24 millimeter in paper, in ground 2.4 meter. Why? Because our scale is 1 to 100. You have to multiply by 100 in each